In this video, we will provide an algebraic derivation of the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula states that for any second-degree polynomial equation in standard form, the solution set is given by the equation x equals negative b plus minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. To derive the quadratic formula, consider the standard form equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Dividing both sides of the equation by a, we have x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0. Subtracting c over a from both sides, we get x squared plus b over ax equals negative c over a. Completing the square by adding the square of b over 2a to both sides and simplifying, we obtain that the square of the quantity x plus b over 2a is equal to the difference b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. Using the common denominator 4a squared, the right-hand side of the equation becomes b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Taking square roots of both sides of the equation gives us x plus b over 2a is equal to plus minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Finally, by subtracting b over 2a from both sides and simplifying, we obtain the quadratic formula.